Hi everybody. So today you're going to be doing some experiments. These are super easy experiments that you guys can totally do with stuff that you have at home. You can pick one of three. There are directions on Google Classroom as well for you, but I wanted to show you them just to show you how easy I can do them here at my apartment. You can do them at home. Now, I do understand some of them have some specific requirements that you might not have at home. I know you might not, I get it. Sometimes it's hard. So if you're not able to do these, that's totally okay. If you would, it's not going to affect your grade. But I thought it would be fun because there were a lot of wave activities that we would have done in person. And I want you to, get to do some of those fun things at home. Sound good? Okay, so we're gonna go with the first one. For your first experiment option, all you need is a metal utensil. It can be a spoon, a knife, a fork, as long as it's all the way metal. It doesn't have like a wooden handle or a plastic handle. It's just metal and string. All you have to do is tie the string to your utensil. Super easy. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn yourself into a human pendulum. So you're going to stand up, you're going to hold strings like this, and you're going to swing like that. You're going to look real silly, and you're going to swing so that the spoon or fork or whatever hits a table or a chair, or you can even have somebody hit it for you if you want to turn into a human gong. And you hold the string like right up against your ear, you will be able to hear the vibration created by that transfer of energy. So it's really easy, it's really cool. You do look very silly, but it's very fun. I would recommend trying it with a couple of different utensils. So like a big spoon and a little spoon. See if there's a difference in tone, or a spoon and a fork. Or if you have like different types of utensils in your house and you want to try different things, try it. It's really fun. It's a good way to if you have siblings, get them involved. And you will hear the different vibrations. Totally doable. This is probably the easiest of the three, so if you're looking for a good one to start with, I'd go with number one. For your second option, it is making a wave models out of straws and tape. Now, before you at me, these are paper straws. I don't want to hear you complaining about me killing the turtles. They're paper. So all you're doing is, you can kind of see, I put like one layer of tape down, spaced out my straws, and then put a second layer of tape to secure them. You can make them, I have one in my classroom that I don't have here that's like huge. You can make a giant one. Or you can just make a small one. I would say, so mine is taped to my railing, but you can also have another human hold on to the other end. I don't have that option right now. But what you can do is you want to hold it really tight, and you will start to see like the waves and the crests of your wave model. And then if you tap, you can see the vibration move up and down the model. It's really fun. This is another great one. You can also do this with a slinky if you have a slinky. Don't have a slinky right now, so we're dealing with this. But this is also really easy, really fun. Written directions are on Google Classroom. Now for the final option, we're going to need to switch over to my cell phone camera because I need my computer for it. So we're going to pause, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so this last option is a little bit more involved and requires my computer, so we're switching up the format. So what I have here is I have a little tiny cup. Inside I have some speakers, some old speakers that I had, and then I've put like a little bit of plastic on the top of the cup. So that is my setup. and then I'm going to put it in this little pan so that it doesn't get everywhere. And I'm going to try and stand it up. And then over here on my computer, I have a tone generator up and running. So you can just Google tone generator. This is the first one that popped up for me. And it's going to produce some really lovely and annoying tones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of, this is like fancy decorating sugar that I thought would be cool. But you can use salt, sugar, cinnamon, whatever small, like sand, any small particled item. And then what I'm going to do is I can play around with the tone, and the tone is going to play through the speakers, and hopefully we'll be able to see the result of that. So, let's see. See them starting to move? So the last one didn't work super great for me, but hopefully you have better luck when you try it at home. If you do, please let me know. We would love to feature it on the Cluster One Instagram or anything like that if you want to take a picture or video of you trying any of these experiments. I really hope that you give one of them a try. I think it'd be fun. But I know that it's okay if you don't. So hope you're having a great week, and I will see you later on today in office hours. Bye, everybody.